Acupuncture. Origins, historical background, and development. 1. Background of acupuncture. Acupuncture is one of the most representative and unique treatment methods in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, with its core ideas based on theories such as yin-yang balance, qi and blood circulation, and meridian theory. Acupuncture involves inserting fine needles into specific points on the body, known as acupuncture points, or acupoints, to regulate the flow of qi, vital energy, and blood, aiming to unblock meridians, balance yin and yang, support the body's defenses, eliminate pathogenic factors, and restore overall bodily balance. This therapy, along with other TCM methods, such as herbal medicine, massage, and cupping, forms a complete healing system. In acupuncture theory, there exists an invisible network within the body called the meridian system, which allows the circulation of qi, vital energy, and blood, nutrients, throughout the body. When qi and blood flow smoothly, the body remains healthy. If the meridians become obstructed or the qi and blood are imbalanced, diseases arise. By stimulating specific acupoints along the meridians, acupuncture helps restore the smooth flow of qi and blood, promoting the body's natural healing abilities. 2. Historical development of acupuncture. The history of acupuncture can be traced back to the Neolithic period in China, evolving over several millennia to become a globally recognized alternative medical practice. The historical development of acupuncture can be divided into the following stages. Prehistoric period, circa 3000 BCE to 206 BCE. The earliest acupuncture tools were not metal needles but rather stone tools, known as Bian stones. These stones were used to treat pain and injuries, which can be seen as the most primitive form of acupuncture. Although the techniques were rudimentary at this stage, the concept of acupuncture had begun to emerge. A significant figure in this period is the legendary Shennong, known as the divine farmer and medicine god in Chinese mythology. Shennong is said to have introduced the use of herbs and needling techniques to treat illnesses. While these legends may not be historically verified, they highlight the ancient roots of acupuncture and its close association with herbal medicine. Warring States to Han Dynasty, 500 BCE to 220 CE. As Chinese society advanced, acupuncture evolved from stone needles to metal needles, and its theoretical foundations gradually took shape. The core principles of acupuncture were systematically expressed in the Huangdi Neijing, the Yellow Emperor's classic of internal medicine, a fundamental text of TCM thought to have been compiled during the Warring States period. The Huangdi Neijing elaborates on concepts such as meridians, acupoints, qi circulation, and yin-yang balance, and it established acupuncture as a recognized therapeutic method. In the Han Dynasty, 206 BCE to 220 CE, acupuncture saw further development, particularly through the contributions of the famous physician Zhang Zhongjing, whose work, Sheng Han Za Bing Lun, Treatise on Cold Damage and Miscellaneous Diseases, detailed the clinical use and efficacy of acupuncture. His contributions helped move acupuncture from theory to broader clinical practice. Wei, Jin, and Tang dynasties, 220 CE to 907 CE. During the Wei, Jin, and Southern and Northern dynasties, acupuncture techniques continued to evolve, with scholars delving deeper into the study of the meridian system. The renowned physician Wang Fu Mi compiled the Zhenju Jiayi Jing, the systematic classic of acupuncture and moxibustion, the first comprehensive acupuncture manual, marking a new stage in the development of acupuncture theory. By the Tang dynasty, acupuncture had become widely integrated into Chinese medical practices. The Tang government established official acupuncture teaching institutions, incorporating acupuncture into medical education, furthering its preservation and propagation. Notably, during this period, acupuncture began to spread to neighboring countries such as Japan, Korea, and Vietnam through cultural exchanges, making it a shared medical heritage across East Asia. Song, Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, 960 CE to 1912 CE. The Song dynasty marked a golden era for acupuncture development, particularly with the invention of acupuncture bronze figures by the physician Wang Weiyi. These bronze models were used for acupuncture education, with detailed representations of meridians and acupoints, helping doctors and scholars master acupuncture techniques more effectively. In the Ming Dynasty, acupuncture theory matured further and became highly systematized. The famous physician Yang Jizhou compiled the Zhenju Dacheng, the Great Compendium of Acupuncture and Moxibustion, which became one of the most authoritative texts in acupuncture history, summarizing centuries of experience and establishing a foundation for future generations. By the Qing dynasty, although Western medicine began to take hold in China and overshadowed acupuncture, it continued to be widely practiced among the people and remained an effective therapeutic method. Modern period, 1912 CE. Present, in the 20th century, acupuncture experienced a challenging period, especially as modern Western medicine marginalized traditional practices. However, with the involvement of modern scientific research, acupuncture gradually regained recognition. In the 1950s, the Chinese government officially reinstated acupuncture into the modern healthcare system, integrating it into hospitals. At the same time, Western countries began studying acupuncture, leading to its gradual acceptance worldwide. During the 1970s, when U.S. President Nixon visited China, Western media reported the miraculous effects of acupuncture, particularly for post-surgical pain relief and anesthesia. This sparked widespread interest in acupuncture in the West. Subsequently, the World Health Organization, WHO, acknowledged acupuncture's efficacy in treating various diseases and included it as a legitimate alternative therapy. 3. Core theories and practice of acupuncture. Acupuncture's fundamental theories are rooted in TCMs, meridian theory, and the concepts of qi and blood. Meridian system. Meridians are invisible channels that run throughout the body, connecting the organs and tissues into a unified whole. Through meridians, qi and blood flow, maintaining the body's life activities and health. Qi and blood. Qi is the driving force behind life activities, while blood provides nutrients. The smooth and balanced flow of qi and blood is essential for health. When these become blocked or stagnant, illness arises. Yin-yang theory. Yin and yang must remain in balance within the body. When this balance is disrupted, various diseases can occur. Acupuncture works to restore this balance and normalize bodily functions. In practice, acupuncturists select different acupoints and use specific needling techniques based on the patient's symptoms and constitution. During needling, techniques such as twisting and lifting the needle are employed to adjust the intensity of stimulation and achieve therapeutic effects. Acupuncture is often combined with other treatments such as moxibustion, cupping, and massage depending on the condition. 4. Global spread and modern research on acupuncture. Although acupuncture originated in China, it has now become a globally recognized treatment. Today, acupuncture is widely practiced around the world, especially in the treatment of pain, anesthesia, neurological disorders, digestive issues, and respiratory diseases. Modern scientific research has partially validated acupuncture's efficacy in these areas. Many universities and medical institutions in Europe, the United States, and Japan offer acupuncture courses, and specialized acupuncture research centers have emerged. The World Health Organization, WHO, has also listed acupuncture as a recommended treatment for a variety of conditions. In recent years, technologies like functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, have further elucidated the neural mechanisms underlying acupuncture, providing more scientific support for its effects. 5. Cultural legends and stories surrounding acupuncture. The origins of acupuncture are also associated with numerous myths and legends, many of which involve ancient Chinese emperors and divine physicians. The Yellow Emperor and Qibo. According to legend, the Huangdi Neijing is the result of dialogues between the Yellow Emperor and his physician Qibo. The Yellow Emperor is considered the founder of Chinese medicine, while Qibo is viewed as a divine healer. Their discussions on topics such as qi, blood, meridians, and yin-yang balance laid the foundation for acupuncture theory. Fuxi and the Nine Needles. Fuxi, one of the mythical ancestors of the Chinese people, is said to have invented the 9 types of acupuncture needles based on his observations of cosmic and earthly changes. 4.